Hey, you, wake up!
Oh shit, sorry. I had the head gasket nightmare again.
Okay, what are the nightmares about this time?
Head gaskets, brake pads, tires, suspension, speed sensors. Everything I have to replace. Man, I'm broke. I'm living out of my car. I've got no money left for Touge. Just put it in the gas tank, buy Arizona iced tea, cry, drive the Touge,
That shit box.
come back down, cry, drink Arizona iced tea, pass out.
Surely there must be a way to help you out here.
Surely there must be a better way.
Oh,
Lucky for you, the Ridge Chaser Patreon is now open. So you can send us money so we can do this, and I can fix my car and he can fix his car, and we can do driving and make content for you. We gotta start somewhere, you know?
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah, just kind of get a feel for it. And watch out for big bumps. Those are like the two main ones. And the shifter's kind of shit also.
Okay. Early braking, just get a feel for it. Well, the brakes feel good though.
They're good brakes. It'll shake like a motherfucker when you brake hard.
Got it, I see. Oh. So this is how Subaru feels like.
Yeah. The steering on this is like, it's kind of numb. It's not as bad as it was before the springs, but it's not a lot of there's a lot of dead zone in it.
Yeah, it's like definitely you're moving the steering wheel quite a bit to get like a little bit of amount of angle.
Like on my other car, Nintendo did an amazing alignment on that thing. You can adjust mid-corner like with no issues, not even barely have to move the wheel. But on this thing, yeah, it doesn't have that quite yet.
Not quite yet.
Not quite. I think I need to roll the fronts a little more, probably.
Still like the audio feedback is good, you know?
Yeah.
And it's like you can kind of tell when it's like you're starting to understeer.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't understeer as bad as my other car, surprisingly.
Oh, your friend's understeers.
Well, it used to be really bad.
Why was that?
Because my alignment was shit in the rear.
Oh, got it.
And because I had a stripped like camber bolt or alignment bolt. So yeah, I couldn't adjust the rears, and we just had to adjust the fronts to compensate up to a certain point.
It's so nice. Like, it's such a different change. It's like you can almost like treat it like a front-wheel drive in certain aspects.
Yeah.
It has like advantages outside of it.
A lot of people say all the drive is just like easy mode.
No.
But it's
that's not how it works at all. Like, you know,
this is notorious for saying that.
oh, like all-wheel drive OP.
Yeah.
Only for the modern ones, but that's not even about all-wheel drive. This is like a completely different like control system.
Yeah, you see what I was saying about the shifter? It's kind of all over the place.
It's hard to tell. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
That's like it's easy to like get into when you know drive it like spiritedly. It's not like, oh shit, you know, I'm super
It's a really good entry-level platform.
Yeah.
You can like, the Imprezas are more expensive now, but the Legacy Outbacks you can get really, really cheap.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to be careful, my bad.
It's fine.
And I can put the handbrake up?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what you can get for $400. That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Wait, but then these are your wheels, pretty much.
Yeah, these are my wheels, buddy. You can pick up
still.
a set of wheels.
Yeah.
For dirt cheap.
Actual
my
dirt.
car that smells like shit.
Could be anybody's car.
Oh, it's smoking a little.
Oh, it's just vaping.
It smells like
Or is
not
it burning
cool.
oil? Or
I think
leaking
it
oil?
might be oil. Oh yeah, well there's a water leak. It leaks at the base of this like metal intake thing right here, and it also leaks out the water pump.
Got it.
So it could be water.
It's your car that smells, not mine.
It might be, yeah.
Okay.
Like it's made of fucking like big ass mask.
Gotta get the good side.
Oh yeah.